Just in case you didn't know, if you create art of any kind at any given point in your life, you are an artist. That title isn't reserved for people who are more special or talented than you. You don't have to sell your art to be an artist. You don't have to make it your career to be an artist. You don't have to give up everything and live in a hut in the woods and do nothing but paint to be an artist. You don't have to tell anyone you make art, although that is a shame, to be an artist. You don't have to create consistently to be an artist. You don't have to have a degree in art to be an artist. And most importantly, you don't have to find a style to be an artist. You already have a style. It's in you, just like your handwriting is uniquely yours. All you have to do is make art. And please, do it again and again and again, not just because the world needs your art, but because you need to create your art. Because you are an artist.
Stop asking people for likes and follows. It's so tacky and desperate. If you agree, please like and follow.